Good morning!
Hello!
Brought some Magic Mind for us to fuel up before we hit the road and go treasure hunting today.
Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome. The usual 4 steps. Shake, shake, shake. Crack the lid. Cheers your friend. And down the hatch.
Yum.
This must seem like a replay every time, because every time we drink these, that's our standard go-to response.
I know, but they are really good. They really are.
I really love the flavor.
I wish they were bigger.
Yes. Yeah. Big can of Magic Mind. Oh, I just sip on that all day.
Yep.
And I love the fact that Magic Mind is committed to using only the highest quality ingredients in their products. And with their 100% money-back guarantee, where you don't even have to send back any of the product if you cancel, there is just no reason not to try it. I know you got a lot done this week.
I did. I had to replace the knob on the back door.
Well, the whole door, you had to screw a hole through the door to put a new deadbolt in. It's a scary
It is scary because the door's so thick I had to drill from both sides, so I had to make sure it was lined up because it's just slightly off and it's not going to work.
You did it, you got it done perfectly and in record time, like
I know.
only a couple of hours. And you also did a whole bunch of furniture this week.
I did. I've just been so clear and motivated. I really like that I can still drink my coffee and my afternoon energy drinks. I don't get jittery. It's not a dump of caffeine.
Right. And that's because Magic Mind isn't just a cheap caffeine shot. It's actual science. It feeds your brain. It helps you think more clearly and fire on all cylinders. And it really is a cumulative effect. I mean, we've been taking this now for weeks, and you sure do notice a difference.
You do.
And if you haven't tried Magic Mind yet, now is your opportunity to get a single purchase or a full subscription for 20% off. Just click the link down below or go to magicmind.com/bbarons and use our code bbarons20. And if you mix the code with a subscription, you save even more money off the already discounted subscription price.
All right, are we ready to go?
We're ready.
All right.
Let's do it.
Okay, this one is on today and tomorrow, and it's just about to start, and there's vintage and collectible items at it.
Sounds good. All right. I think it's just, there it is right there.
Okay.
I think. I mean, it seems like it should be
No,
there.
it's wrong. It's your side of the street. It's probably in the alley.
Well, it's going to be right on the corner because it's
Yeah, so
right here.
yeah.
So here it is.
So just park. So I don't know if,
Garage is open.
yeah, I don't know if what you're gonna hit the curb.
Oh, there's the curb. You should have warned me.
And then you hit it again.
Well, there was no warning.
I think a punch in the side of the head should be the warning.
What? I don't think that's
Probably
right.
need too many warnings then.
Maybe just one more.
Good
Hello.
morning. How are you?
I always watch your stuff.
Oh, thank you.
Probably not much you're gonna find here because
You,
it's expensive.
you're too expensive.
Come on in.
This is interesting. Looks comfortable.
You won't
Oh,
get
yeah.
anything done if you buy that.
Oh, that's so soft.
Oh, yeah.
These are pretty. And look at this purse. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, look at that. With slides in it.
Extra large.
Yeah,
These
pretty neat.
Yeah, somebody actually made that out of a
Yeah.
sheet that holds slides. Oh, and there's a map in the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it's places around the world.
no, it's maybe. Oh, thank you.
That's super neat, though.
Yeah, super expensive. I paid $150.
Oh.
For that stupid thing.
Did you get it like on vacation somewhere?
No.
Oh, okay.
From the website.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're expensive.
Super interesting. I've never seen anything like it, though.
Look at that. The
Wow.
glass in it.
What's glass?
On the inside, yeah.
Ooh, yeah. You want to hear a story about that one?
Where did you sneak it into?
No. It's from the 1920s, prohibition.
That's nice.
Oh,
But I bought a house in Wilcox, and I was kind of painting the closet, and I looked up where the closet doors are on the inside, and it's sitting hidden.
Somebody's little secret stash.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, so I thought that was pretty funny.
That is. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. We don't have a price on it because I don't
No.
know what to price it at. So
I've never seen one before, so I don't know either.
yeah.
Do you want that?
It's totally up to you if that's something that you would want to
It's
display with your in the kitchen maybe, or
Yeah.
I don't know.
One's blue and the other one's purple.
What color of blue?
I don't know. What does it say on there? I'll Google it.
Admiral blue. Yeah, and it's bare. Oh, that's a nice color. Feels full, and there's no paint around the edges, so.
What does she want for that?
I don't know. She's not here.
Uh-oh.
She hasn't priced anything. I'll just sell it for whatever you pay it.
Might need that. I like to have multiple.
Yeah, well, we probably need one for the truck at least.
Oh yeah, good point.
So-
This will be really good for the truck, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the cutest Saskatchewan Rough Riders hat I've ever seen.
Oh, look at that.
That is really cute.
I like that. Sometimes wine is just necessary.
Yeah. That's cute.
You gonna get that?
I think so. I don't know how much it is, but probably isn't too much. What's this one? Oh, that's kind of too. I like this style.
Yes, I know. You have worn that style before.
Yeah, I have a
It
couple.
looks good on you.
I like them.
So-
Yeah. Okay. So did you come up with a price on that? Or oh.
Tell me what you want to pay for it and I'll decide.
I don't know.
In the paint, are you thinking?
Right, yeah, and the blue paint.
15 on the paint? 10?
I'd do 10 on it.
Okay.
And then, oh, and I have this hat too.
15 and 4 for that's 19.
And then in the tools,
Yeah, she got that.
Okay.
Yeah.
25 for the flask, maybe?
Sure.
Do you want to do
Okay.
that?
Sure.
So it's 44?
I'm glad you picked that because I do.
I know, I was like, oh no, it's too early for math.
Exactly.
As my friend would say, I'm not a mathologist. That's cool. That's a really cool,
Yeah.
and I love the story too.
It's kind of funny.
Yeah.
Was there anything in it?
No.
It was empty.
Yeah.
That's too bad.
Yeah. Could you go fill it up before we go? Yeah. Well, there you go. That's the least smelly. No one will know.
All right. Well, thank you guys.
Oh,
Thank
thank
you.
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Thanks again.
Cool. For sale.
Yeah. Got some. Oh yeah, for sale and we're recognized. That's what you're. That's what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess 24 is.
Yeah, that is neat. I've never seen a glass one either, and then surrounded by metal.
Yeah.
Like, and it's all one piece. You can't separate the two.
So yeah, she must have done some research to know that it was from Prohibition.
Prohibition. Interesting, and I like that it's see-through too. It's got those,
Yeah.
You can
See how much you got left?
yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Some paint. Because when I painted that other dresser blue,
That dark blue.
it went well.
Yes, and this blue really reminded me of it. So that's why I thought, oh, you're gonna want that paint.
Well, considering that's like an $80 can of paint.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so ridiculous. So yeah, $10 up for sure. I think I paid $5 for that other little one. So
Hey, that is a nice shirt you got going on there.
thrift happens.
Where did you get that?
Bargainbarons.com.
Awesome. We got a whole bunch of new designs. I think everybody should go check it out.
They should.
All right, on to the next.
Okay. Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay, this one, multi-family, and today's the first day and it's on tomorrow, and it started about an hour ago.
All right. Oh, here we go.
There, perfect. And there's a place to park.
And there are tire-friendly curbs here.
Yes.
Yay.
I know. I don't know why they don't make them all like that.
Check it out.
Okay. Were you worried about getting a punch?
A little bit.
Good. Look how small this is.
Were you worried about... Were you worried about damaging your knuckles on my...
That's what you
Shut the up. Let me get my joke out before we get there. Now you wrecked it.
I don't think it was me that wrecked it.
It was.
Hello.
Hello.
25 cents. I don't think I need anything. Although that one, it's a vintage one.
Yeah.
It looks like it's in good shape. It's only a quarter.
Okay.
It has had the lid on, but that smell will go away.
Yeah. It's the plasticky kind of...
Yeah, that's why you don't store them with the lid on.
Right.
You
Can you hold on to that?
Sure, thank you, honey. These are industrial
Yep. Yep.
partitions. I think that's the only one we need. It's cool. It's in good shape for how old it is.
It is. The lid
I like
fits
the color.
nicely.
Yeah.
Little Tupperware.
Yeah.
Just never wears out. It's just, just the lids, the ones with the where you push in the middle. My mom broke one of those ones.
Yeah.
But they have lifetime warranty, don't they?
I don't know.
Yeah, they
I
do.
think you just send them in and they just send
They'll
you
send
another
you a
one.
new one.
Serious?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Well, for what you pay, they should.
Yeah, that's
honestly,
true.
you're paying for plastic.
That's true.
Is that for your, maybe your leg?
Or your arm or something
Put
when
your
you're running.
phone in?
Yeah.
Oh. Is this more shelf liner?
Oh, did he end up coming?
Contact. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so. Yeah.
18 feet. That's quite a bit.
Yeah, and do a lot of shelves.
I should get that. I have some, but I don't think I have enough.
Ooh, look at these stamps. This leather tooling?
Oh yeah, looks like it.
I think so.
$5. Jeez, that's a good deal. I wonder if that's something I would do.
Takes a lot of practice to get good.
Yeah.
You have to go through a lot of pieces of leather before you come down with
Yeah.
a design that you like, and
That's true. I guess just this.
and
that. So that's what, 25 cents, right? Yeah.
this was
Yeah, and this is $1. Hold on to that. What's all this stuff over here? Free stuff. Do you need funnels for anything?
not that big.
Okay.
Well, I've got some funnels. A toque.
Yeah, brand new. I think that's alcohol.
Yeah. It's a big toque.
Yeah. Oh. Wood sealer, I'll get that.
Oh, is it free?
Yeah, I'm assuming. This is all free stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. There's no sticker on it. What was that?
Yeah.
I think this. Yeah.
Timer.
Yeah.
Battery tester.
Yeah. We have one though.
I specifically got one that can also test 9 volts.
Right. don't know. I guess if you needed it, you'd know what it looked like, what that was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So just those two things, I think.
Oh, she's right here.
Oh, there you are. This was in the free pile. And then
$1, and this was over in the 25-cent box there with the
Perfect.
plastic bins.
Okay. No, that's great.
All right.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thanks so much. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tupperware. Some more vintage shelf liner.
Yeah.
I think you've got an
I'm
addiction
staining
to
the
the
deck
shelf
this
liner.
year.
Oh, so you're gonna put some water guard on it.
Yep.
How much is in there?
Quite a bit, like at least half.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
Still going.
Okay. thought you said it was gonna be good.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, you did.
I was talking about the next ones. Well, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah.
You want me to throw a little something?
Sweet.
Yes.
Best garage
Yes, we
sale
do.
ever.
Yeah.
A little gin, a little bit of, I think I got root beer or Pepsi.
Oh.
Gin and juice.
Yeah.
Juice. I can't do juice for you, sorry. Gotta be straight up.
I'm
Yeah.
good. We're good.
Thank you.
I'll crash the next garage sale literally. If,
yeah.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away. Heading to the sun, only you and me.